Hello, this is the Belkasoft Evidence Center X, or Belka X for short, tutorial series. In this video, we'll go through creating reports within Belka X. Belka X allows you to customize and create various types of reports. To create a report, select items that you'd like to include in the report using the checked boxes in the corresponding product window. Once all the items of interest have been selected, right-click and select Create Report Item in the Open Context window. There are different types of reports that you can create. You can create a report for the entire content of any single artifact type node, such as all chats or all geolocation artifacts, or a report for several artifact nodes, when multiple nodes are checked within the structure or overview pane of the artifacts window. Note that there is a Report button on the top of the Artifacts window, which you can use to do this. You can also create a report for selected artifacts only. To create such a report, check one or multiple items in the artifact list, and then use Create Report for checked items from the context menu. Lastly, should you need to create a report for just bookmarked items, proceed to the Bookmarks window and select one or multiple bookmarks there. You should know that we have a tutorial dedicated on bookmarking that illustrates how to do this. On the Create Report window, you can select the target format such as text, HTML, or PDF. Some options may be grayed out, and this means that for checked artifacts, these formats cannot be used. For instance, the EML format is specific to email messages, while KML works only for geolocation data, and the bubble view for chats can be exported to an HTML only. You may leave the target folder blank, and Belka X will automatically save your report to the default path inside your app data folder. The Advanced Option button helps to fine-tune your report. The Formatting tab helps to specify such options such as text encoding, header and footer in case of a PDF creation. The footer may help you to automate routines such as including the investigator name if it's required on each page of the report. You can specify landscape or portrait orientation for formats such as PDF or doc and RTF. You can add a name of a person who generates the report. The Style tab helps you to specify logo and fonts. The Split Group helps to split information over multiple files and group artifacts into one document. You can create just one file or split the data into various files according to the data types and profiles. You can also create a separate folder for every contact when creating or generating a report for chats, or a mail folder when creating a report for a mailbox. There is also an option to group chat artifacts by contact and mail artifacts by mail folder. The Files tag helps you to tune file-related options. The first three options are self-explanatory, while size of picture thumbnails in pixels helps to specify the size of the picture that you've opted to include in the preview in the report. On the Columns tab, you can specify columns to include into a report. Use the arrows to move the column names between available and selected columns and sort them. If the list of available columns is too large, use the filter box below to find the desired properties. When you're adding several columns to your report, consider selecting a CSV or XLSX format instead of PDF or HTML. The button Columns as in List copies the same columns that you've tuned in the artifact list to be used in your report. Once scheduled, the report generation progress will be shown under the Tasks window. The report, when created, will be opened in a default viewer if you've opted to do so on the Create Report window. You can create reports for data shown in other different windows, such as Maps, Connection Graphs, SQLite Viewer, and Registry Viewer. Belka X makes your investigations quicker, easier, more comprehensive, and more effective. Download a free trial today at belkasoft.com/trial. Request your free 30-day trial now by clicking on the link below this video. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your time and interest.